Hey, you guys all made it. What should we do? What do you guys want to do, kids? What to do? Ooh, I want surprise toys. Ooh, I want surprise toys too. Where should we go to get surprise toys? I know where we can go. Let's go to the Mega Fun Factory. Oh, that works. We need to bring some Play-Doh with us. I can bring the Play-Doh. All right, we're here, kids. Wow. Do you guys see the Mega Fun Factory? It looks like it'll be fun to ride. Let's go on it. Yeah, let's ride it. Watch out below. I'm so excited. Wow, this is fast. That was a lot of fun. Now, where are the surprise toys? Yeah, surprise toys. Did you remember to bring the Play-Doh? Yep, I got it. Right here.
Oh, looks like there's people here. Hey guys, welcome to the Mega Fun Factory. Sounds like you guys want some surprise toys. Oh, and it looks like you guys brought your own Play-Doh.
Hurry, faster. I want surprise toys.
All right, just let me know which shapes you want me to make from this wheel, and we'll get started. All right, we'll start with you two. Which shapes would you like?
I don't need any, so you can choose two, honey. Yay! Can I have the ducky and the car? Vroom, vroom.
You got it. Let's use green Play-Doh to make those shapes. This should be good enough. Now the green Play-Doh will be approaching the stamping station soon. Let's choose the right shape. Find the other shape. Now let's separate these two shapes. And we'll be able to check them out in just a bit. Alright, so here's the green ducky. And here's the green car. Both of these shapes are for Little Fresh. Awesome! The shapes turned into surprise toys. The first one is this My Little Pony Fashems. It's the movie version. We got Applejack. Now let's check out the second surprise toy. It's a Shimmer and Shine Season 2 toy. Today we got Rockstar Magic Kyra. Here's a closer look at Rockstar Magic Kyra. Alright, you two are next. What would you like?
All right, honey, what shapes do you want? I want the piggy. Ooh, and the pony.
Coming right up. Let's use purple Play-Doh to make those shapes. Insert the Play-Doh. Let's find the right shapes. Separate the shapes. And let's check them out once they fall onto the tray. Alright, our first shape is this purple piggy. And our second shape is this purple pony. Both shapes are for Little Majorette. Yes! We got two more surprise toys! Let's start by checking out this Shopkins World Vacation one. Our first Shopkins is Party Popper. Awesome! We got an ultra rare Shopkins. Here's a closer look at Party Popper. And our second Shopkins is Dolores Dress. Here's a closer look at Dolores Dress. Now let's check out the Sheriff Callie's Wild West blind bag. We got Deputy Peck today. He's Callie's trusty deputy. Okay, you two are last. Which shapes would you like?
Choose 2 shapes, honey. I want the train and the Mr. Potato Head.
You got it. We'll make those shapes using orange Play-Doh. Follow the same steps as before. And both shapes will be ready really soon. Let's start by checking out this orange train. Here you go. And here's the second shape. Both shapes are for Little Cozy Babe. Both shapes are for Little Cozy Babe. Yes! The orange shapes turned into surprise toys. Let's start by checking out this Monster High Minis blind box. Today we got a sleepover ghoul. Here's a closer look at this blue sleepover ghoul. She's wearing pajamas that have lightnings and bolts on it. Our final surprise toy. Let's check out this Minecraft Series 9 blind box. It's the Spooky series. And here are all the characters we can collect. Today we got a mummified sheep. Poor sheep, I'm sure it wants its wool back. It's almost winter. I hope you had fun at the Mega Fun Factory today. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!